7 Best Finance Books for Beginners to Read. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of finance and provide you with valuable insights and recommendations. In today's video, we'll be sharing our top 10 picks for the best finance books for beginners. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your money management skills, these books will provide you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to achieve financial success. So, let's get started. 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Our first recommendation is the timeless classic, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book challenges conventional wisdom about money and encourages readers to adopt a mindset of wealth creation. Learn how to differentiate between assets and liabilities and discover the power of financial education. Get ready to revolutionize your approach to money management. 2. The Intelligent Investor. Next on our list is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is a must-read for anyone interested in the world of investing. Graham's timeless principles teach readers how to analyze stocks, make informed investment decisions, and navigate the ups and downs of the market. It's a comprehensive guide that will help you become a savvy investor. 3. Your Money or Your Life. Are you looking to achieve financial independence? Look no further than Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. Learn how to save, invest, and create a fulfilling life that goes beyond material possessions. 4. Think and Grow Rich. If you're seeking motivation and inspiration, Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich is the book for you. This classic masterpiece delves into the mindset and strategies of successful people. Discover the power of positive thinking, persistence, and goal setting. Prepare to transform your mindset and unlock your true potential. 5. The Millionaire Next Door. Ever wondered how millionaires accumulate their wealth? The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko reveals the surprising habits and lifestyles of America's wealthy. Learn the secrets of living below your means, building wealth, and achieving financial independence. Get ready to adopt the mindset of a millionaire. 6. The Compound Effect. Small actions can lead to significant results. Darren Hardy's The Compound Effect emphasizes the power of consistency and compounding. By making small, positive changes in your habits and routines, you can achieve extraordinary outcomes over time. Learn how to leverage the compound effect to create lasting success in your financial and personal life. 7. Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant. Our final recommendation is Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. This book explores the 4 quadrants of income generation and reveals the secrets to creating passive income streams. Discover how to transition from being an employee or self-employed to becoming a business owner or investor. It's time to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. And there you have it, our top 10 finance books for beginners. Each of these books offers unique insights and strategies to help you on your financial journey. Whether you want to learn about investing, budgeting, or achieving financial independence, these books will provide you with the knowledge and motivation you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Share your favorite finance books in the comments below, and let us know if you've read any of the ones we mentioned. Thank you!